Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can add slider to your Shopify store. So before get started, please consider to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So first go to elfsite.com. After that sign up an account and then go to wizard. Now go to search. Here search for slider. Select this. Now on the left panel, here you will see the template. You can choose any of template. So for example, I am going to choose this product template. After that, scroll down and then click on continue with this template. Now here you can change this everything. Just click on three dot icon and then click on edit. Then you will be able to change. So in my case, I am not doing this right now. After that, click on add to website for free. Now on the top right corner, click on publish. Now choose free plan. Close and copy the code. Now go back to Shopify admin panel and then go to online store. Now go to customize. Now on the left panel, click on add section and then here search for custom liquid. After that, on the right side, here you will see liquid code. Just paste the code and then click on save, and there you go. So we have successfully added slider in our Shopify store. So hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.